We're in a beautiful little town of Jaun. This is the last German-speaking town in the Gruyères area, which is the destination. That saddle peak, we should be walking around it. They've got this troll hidden down in there. It's noon. Wow, this is an unsturdy suspension bridge. Holy moly. Did I say I was afraid of heights? We got a rock fall. Swiss Alpine panoramic trail. Going into another tunnel. Puny humans make tunnels. The earth makes mountains. Gruyères. That is a medieval town, and that's why these people say it's a medieval town.